Good morning, everyone. This is an example of a Bergeon Seitz large jeweling tool. I want to show you this video to give you a good idea about the condition. This small tool I found out is there's a spring in here, and it is to center your workpiece. You can take it out. There's the spring. This part here, original, does not belong to the set, it's an extra. Platform stake 28. Yeah, it is in the Bergeon catalog. You can find this piece. There it is. Yeah, here are small collets. .5 millimeter, this one. They go in here. There's a drawbar here. A measurement. I can show the outside of the box. Yeah, this is a Seitz catalog from my library. There's the big set. And it's in German with all the accessories. Yeah, and I wanted to show the Bergeon catalog, have some useful information about some examples how to use it. And here are all the accessories separate. This is how you use the grinding stone. Okay. Yeah, that's it for now. Thank you for watching.